Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Brassier Kitchen. Adeshima, Mimobi Biara Akwaba. Today we're making onion rings. And then your baba yano, onion rings. So let's start. Okay, so I have here my eggs, 2 eggs. I have here flour, that's asam. I have here onions, and this is buttermilk. And then here I have black pepper, paprika, garlic. I have my olive oil here and my salt. And this is breadcrumbs that I bought from the store or the supermarket. Okay, so we're going to start by adding paprika to this, the breadcrumbs, a little bit paprika and black pepper, any spices of your choice. This is garlic powder. Okay, now mix. This is the oil. A little bit oil here. So now we're mixing our breadcrumbs with the oil and the spices here. I'm gonna add what? Salt. A little bit salt here. A little bit salt there. Okay, so let's add them. Okay. You just take it off like that. Separate it like this. That's okay. So if you want to do it, you don't get it from the store, you do it yourself, okay? Okay, so I'll place this here for now. Let's start. Place your onion in the flour, cover it. The flour with the onion. Place it in your egg and milk. Back to the flour again. So now we are coating the onion. Okay. Back in your egg and milk again. Then the last coat is gonna be your breadcrumbs. Let me use this hand. Okay. Beautifully done. Place it in your air fryer. Okay, so here we are, beautifully. Get inside. Hey, here. So now flip them. Let me see if I can use my hand. Yes, make it easier. Okay, finito. Gonna do the second page. Maya. Carnation milk. A little bit of basil.